Hey, what's up guys? If you're the first time home buyer, this video is for you. Why? Because in this video, we're gonna have a lender who's gonna be talking and telling you what to look out for, what to do, and how to get yourself into a home. If you're tired of renting, this video is for you. That way you don't have to pay Uncle Sam no more money. All the money you'll be paying for is gonna be for your property. So stay tuned to the end of this video and you will know how to get a loan and how to get your house that you deserve. Let's go. As you always know, if you watch my other videos, I always love to introduce myself. Right? I love to introduce myself. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida, from Sarasota all the way down to Naples. So if you're looking to buy a property, a house, if you have any questions in regards to real estate, give me a call. You can jump on my calendar link as well. You can shoot me a DM to my personal number, and actually it's gonna be me, not my assistant, not some AI robot that out there. We have so many AIs out there, it's crazy. But anyway, let me introduce you guys. Matt Suggs, he is one of the loan officers here with Neighborhood Loans. So he will tell you more in advance. I'll be asking questions, all the questions that were all the clients that I had previously that were FHAs, the first time home buyers. They were asking this question. So I want to create this video for every single one of you. So you will know what has happened, what to expect, what they're looking from you and what they need, what kind of documents they need, and all the details of the loan process. So let's go. Okay guys, here I am. Here's Matt here. I want to give him an honor to do the introduction himself. So,
what's going on guys? My name is Matt Suggs. I work with Neighborhood Loans in the Puleo group here down in Southwest Florida. I'm here to help you guys with whatever you guys need. FHA, conventional, down payment assistance, VA loans, anything you guys need, I'm your guy. I'm here to help. Make sure you guys get into the right home and the right mortgage and the right fit for you.
Bingo guys, you guys heard the man. So if you have any questions in regards to mortgage, give me a shout out. Or also you can shoot me a text message. I will be more than happy to share his information, and his contact information is gonna be in the description here as well. So Matt, listen, you relocated here yourself. I moved here as well. So even if you're local here, you live here in Southwest Florida, never owned a house, you don't even know where to start, you don't know what paperwork to send, you don't know what to do, where to even start, but you're tired of paying rent, man, right? You're tired of paying Uncle Sam, it's paying someone else's mortgage, and here you are deciding to buy a house. What advice would you give to a home buyer that wants to buy a house?
Well, first, I would start with getting pre-approved. That way, you can stop paying the rent for somebody else, you can get out, you can buy your own home. We'll have a link that we can send you, easy to fill out, get you pre-approved. That way you know when you're talking to Alek exactly what you can go out and shop for. The exact purchase price. We'll break down what the payment is gonna be, all the insurance, taxes, we'll break down everything for you. And that way you know what you can afford, how much you're gonna need to save for down payments, whether we're giving you down payment assistance money from the government or whatever it might be. We'll be able to kind of explain everything for you, but we really gotta get you pre-approved first so we know which direction we're going.
Before pre-approval, what documents do you guys need, right? So what are you guys gonna be looking at on the pre-approval documents? Some people don't file taxes. Some people have credit cards. Some people have, they bought a new car, right? We always say, don't freaking buy a new car if you're buying a house, right? Next 6 months, if you're buying a house, do not buy a new car. Do not go buy furniture.
Right.
Like, open up a credit card. Just stick what you got. What are you guys requiring in order for a person to get a loan?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna need your income documents. Now, whether you're a W-2 employee or a 1099 employee, depending upon which way, exactly, self-employed, we're gonna need either tax returns or your pay stubs. We're gonna need 2 months of bank statements to see where the money's coming from for your down payment and assets. And then like you said, if you have credit cards, we're gonna find out how much your monthly payments on your credit cards are. Maybe if you have student loans, what the monthly payment on that is, your car payments, anything at all like that, we're gonna ask for all those payments. That way we can kind of figure out how much you make and how much your debts are, and we can calculate exactly what we talked about a little earlier, what your purchase price is by actually adding all of that stuff up and figuring it out on the back end so we can tell you the right price.
So what I heard Matt saying is this: if you're trying to buy a house and you're gonna be putting, submitting documents to get a loan, if you got cash under a pillow or in your safe, we had a deal like that. Do not put all this cash in your bank account and then submit a bank statement, because you need to verify where the money came from. If you sold a car, a trailer, whatever, bicycle, boat, whatever you sold it, whatever you get the cash from,
goddamn right.
I'm not saying. Doesn't matter where you get money from. And hopefully it's legally.
Right.
Hopefully you obtain them legal way.
Right.
And
Could be tips. Could be tips as a server.
Yeah. Server. Yeah. You gotta put those money in and then wait 2 months and then submit the stuff, and that'll be a lot easier for you to deal with it. You know, we have a lot of clients. It's been lately just been having them. They pull out the cash out of their pockets. Like, you know, right? You have to do clarification where the money coming from.
Exactly. What we like to say is the only income and cash we can use is the cash and the income Uncle Sam knows about. So if you write everything off, you might make a lot of money, but you write everything off and you don't claim it. That's great. I would too, but we can't use some of that unless Uncle Sam knows about it and is reported on it. So I totally get it, you know, because a lot of people that are self-employed, they want to write everything off, as they should. The tax laws allow that. But in order, when you do that to buy a home, that's something that we can talk about, because there are some stipulations that we might need to make sure that you're, you know, providing enough income to make sure you get the house that you want.
Also, guys, they say talking about the Uncle Sam, right? So what I'm hearing is this: the 2-year taxes, right?
Correct.
So if you wrote off a lot of taxes first year, if you're 1099 and you are filing and you say you make more income this year, but in reality your first year that you filed was sucked, then you are screwed up. Pretty much, guys. So you gotta report. You know, if you want to do after you buy a house, you don't want to report it. It's up to you. But 2-year taxes is definitely needs to be what I usually tell my clients, and I know Matt, you do the same thing, and you do a very great job in educating clients that sent your way. What we do as well is before filing taxes, when the tax year coming up, say, hey, listen, send us your tax records, send us what you're gonna be filing, what you're gonna be doing. Let us study, let us see how much do you really need to file the taxes in order to qualify for X amount of dollars, right? 300, 400, whatever you're trying to get. That way, I know we have one case for that. We're working on it. He's filing more taxes, more income that he brought this year, because the first year he did it, it was horrible. The year prior, it was horrible. Now showing no income, so we got to show some kind of income in order to be able to obtain a house. So as I know you guys do a very great job on that, educating clients. Also, guys, they do also a credit repair in a way. They will see everything. They will set up a plan for you, and as long as you follow, guys, I have some clients that they went through it and they're successful at it. We are closing on their properties, first-time home buyers as well, to help them get out of their debts, help them to kind of reduce their ratio, like a debt to ratio, how much you were spending on credit cards, car payments, and stuff like that. So in the end, what they have to look out for besides, you know, taxes, the credit cards, make sure they pay on time, right? Make sure you keep them under 30% of your credit limit. You have to do that. What else they should look out for? You know, for example, they got it pre-approved.
Right.
They got pre-approved. Now what?
So when they get pre-approved, now the fun starts. Now we send that pre-approval letter over to yourself and them, and now you guys go out shopping. And again, like Alek had said, we want to make sure in that time you are not going out and opening new credit cards, buying furniture for the house you don't have yet, or buying a new car, or
credit card.
Yeah, or signing new loans and things like that. You know, in that meantime, make sure you're paying all your bills, make sure you're saving up for your down payment, you know, but go out and enjoy this time, because this process should be a lot of fun. It's an exciting time, and we want to make it fun and exciting for you and make it as smooth as possible.
Hey guys, that's it for today. Listen, I'm gonna put Matt's information there as well. He will give you a breakdown, closing costs and stuff like that, which we can negotiate, and I'm pretty good at negotiating and get the closing costs, as he knows. I get the closing costs paid by the seller for you, especially in this market today. But we'll do another video, what it takes, the process of buying a property as well, and more in details with Matt, and talk about the percentage, talk about, you know, pros and cons, buying it now or should we wait. So stay tuned, guys. Reach out to Matt as well. He'll be more than happy to answer any questions. And if you have any questions in regards to real estate, give me a call as well. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see, or if you have any more questions towards the lending or real estate, put it in the comments here below. I'll be more than happy to do a video specifically to your questions, break it down for you, all the details. So thank you so much for watching this video. And hey, Matt, thanks for being with me.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Peace.